He must like
Who is
you.
it? Show me.
Hi, Ladybug.
What is it? What is it?
What is it?
It's a writing book.
Oh,
Oh, where you going, Ladybug?
come on, Mr. Ladybug.
I want my writing book.
Oh, did he go away? He'll come back later.
No,
There he is.
Don't go off the porch.
Whistle to him.
I want my Mr. Writing book.
Where is he? Where is your lightning bug?
What's that noise, Zoe?
Sunny.
You like thunder?
My writing book.
Where'd he go?
Sit right here.
Excuse me, please.
Uh,
Say, excuse me, please, mommy.
this is me, Mama.
Excuse you. Don't push me.
No, you see
Ask
it.
nicely. You ask nicely or I'm going to tickle you until you pee your pants.
Oh, that would be nice.
Pee myself.
Yeah?
Oh, it's just such a funny